what is the inverse function of e to the power x and ln x, and find the derivative of ln x. So let f of x is equal e to the power x and g of x is equal ln x. F composition gx is equal f of g e to the power gx, so e to the power ln x, which is equal x. Same way, g composition fx is equal g of f of x, which is ln f of x, is equal ln e to the power x is equal x. So this implies ln x is the inverse of e to the power x. So we can write now f inverse x is equal. So now to find the derivative of ln x, so we have d dx of ln x, which is equal 1 over f dash ln x. F is e to the power x, so f dash x is also e to the power x. So we have here 1 over e to the power ln x, which is equal 1 over x. So therefore derivative of ln x is 1 over x. And if you have to generalize this, so d dx of ln hx, any function h, then this will be 1 over hx and then derivative of hx by chain rule.